Hello students, hope you are doing well. This is the first video of the world of animals in which we are going to cover smallest and biggest animals, extinct animals and different places where they live. Children, have you ever been to a zoo? There you can see variety of animals, birds, insects and reptiles. Before starting today's class, we should be familiar with some general characteristics of them. Animals have 4 legs, 2 ears and 1 tail. Some animals have horns also. Birds can fly. They have 2 pair of wings, 2 legs and 1 beak. Insects have 6 legs. They have 2 pair of wings also. Like plants and leaves, animals are also found in various shapes and sizes. There are some animals like elephant, rhinoceros, hippopotamus, which are big in size, whereas shrew, mouse, etc. are small animals. Some insects like ants and termites are also very small. Students, there are very small organisms like bacteria, fungus, etc. which we are unable to see normally. For that, we use an instrument called microscope, which can enable us to see things that cannot be seen through naked eye. Children, we all must have heard about dinosaurs. We call them terrible lizard, as they used to be very large in size in comparison of any other living reptile. Dinosaurs used to be largest of all animals, leaving behind elephant and giraffe also. Dinosaurs used to exist on Earth millions of years ago, but now they do not exist. Animals that were present on the earth in the past and are not found now are called extinct animals. Dodo bird also comes under this category. Students, do you know different animals have different places of shelters? Wild animals like wolf, lion, zebra live in jungles. Rabbits, snakes and rats live in burrows. Polar bears, penguins, reindeer lived in snow-covered region. Some animals like cows, buffaloes, horse, etc. live in specially sheltered areas called farms. Since we domesticate them for milk, meat or for traveling, we call them domestic animals. Some animals like lizards, cockroaches, spiders, etc. live in dark, damp and dirty corners of our houses. We can easily find them in dirty areas like garbage. We can also find them near trees, etc. This is all for today. Now I would like to give you 2 home assignments. Number 1, what are extinct animals? Number 2, name any 2 small animals. Thank you.